In this guide, you'll learn how to fix WhatsApp app maintenance in progress error. Let's get started. Start by checking your internet connection and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue disappears. You should also completely close WhatsApp and reopen it, or restart your phone to clear temporary glitches. In many cases, updating the app should also fix your issue. So navigate to App Store or Play Store. Search for the app WhatsApp. If you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version, as older versions may stop communicating properly with WhatsApp services. Likewise, you can clear cache for the WhatsApp. For that, launch settings. Now navigate to the option General. Head over to the option iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find WhatsApp and launch it. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app again to confirm it. Wait for a few seconds, then click on Reinstall app. Likewise, for the Android device, press and hold on the WhatsApp. Click on the option App icon, then select the option Storage. Click on Clear Storage and confirm it. Next up, check if you have enough storage in your device or not. You can also delete or offload unused apps. Likewise, check the server status of WhatsApp. For that, launch your preferred browser. Type in WhatsApp server status. Navigate to the website down detector. If you found out any outages, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. In case you have enabled VPN, you will need to disable it. Also, make sure you have enabled automatic date and time settings. And that's it. With these, you will be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.